My name's Charles Edwards. I'm 25 years old. I'm a 7th generation rancher. The W.S. Edwards Ranch is probably about 12,000 acres roughly, that's give or take. We farm rice and we also run the cattle operation. There's about 1,200 head. Between my grandpa's generation and my father's generation, not much has changed as far as raising cattle and farming rice, but one thing is efficiency has definitely become involved in the situation. Being as spread out as we are, we save a whole lot of time checking fences with the Polaris Ranger. It just makes it that much easier. Back in the day, you got to ride off horseback and see if you can figure something out, so it saves your horses and saves you time. This is a tough place to work in, and the conditions aren't really ever that great. It's pretty dang boggy. A truck wouldn't do much right now. You just make a bigger mess when the Polaris hardly makes any ruts, and it's always smooth. Whether we're harvesting rice or working with cows, the Polaris is always involved. If we're checking water in rice fields, we use the Polaris to navigate around and easier access on rainy days when you can't use your vehicle. If you get stuck out there, you're gonna be in a bind, and it's got all the horsepower we need and traction we need. That thing is strong as an ox. We've got a full-time crew here, and that's kind of why we purchased the crew cab, to make it easier on us, not having to making 2 trips to go back and pick people up. So around our property, we have a bunch of cross fences, and so we're always hopping in and out of that thing, and whether we're opening the gate or mending the fence, anything you need to get out for, it's very accessible. Hauling hay or feed somewheres, we can pretty much fit anything we need to in the back, whether it's fence supplies, wire, and there's plenty of storage inside the cab too. The Polaris Ranger helps us get the job done every day, and even after hours, when we have a little time to rope, it helps us have a little fun in this roping arena and extend our day. We'll hook it up to that roping dummy, and it simulates live cattle. If you're really trying to get into it and working on a young horse, something that hasn't been around it too much, it makes it great. You can slow things down and dial in on what you need to do and what you need to work on. It just makes it easier on the user and the horse. Honestly, it's my favorite thing to do, and I wouldn't even consider it a hobby because it's more of a passion. But I wouldn't want to farm and ranch without the Polaris Ranger. Regardless of the task, I don't know if we'd run anything else. They do the job for us every time.